Here I am at Cleveland Lakefront Nature Preserve, also known as Dike 14. Look how you have to get in here. Now, does this look like a normal nature trail place? State park? I don't know. But look what you have to walk through to get in there. I haven't even been in there yet. The thing is Dike 14 was made from dredging the Cuyahoga River. So the entire land that I'll be walking on is river dredging. Kind of really creepy in the first place. They opened this dike in, I believe it was 1979, and they closed it in 1999, so it was open for 20 years. And I'm sure there's a lot of, first dumpings in here were pretty nasty, and still nasty. But I've never seen a nature preserve where you have to walk through this. It looks like a prison or something. This does not look like you'd be walking through a prison yard. Alright, we're gonna go through. This is creepy. Okay, so there's something in here. This is really weird. I've never seen a nature preserve look like this before, even in urban areas. So apparently this all kind of grew up and they made it some kind of a nature preserve. So ironic. It's just kind of covering up the truth, really. We know the truth. You kind of got to be from Milwaukee or Kansas City and come to Cleveland and be like, something's wrong with this place. So here we go. Here we go. And Lake Erie's out that way. And it's muddy. There you go. 0.1 mile. It said more than that. This is like 1.3 or something. Here we go. Look at it. There's little things popping up because everything thinks it's spring. Oh well. I'm gonna get my shoes rightfully filthy. That's okay. Hello, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, princess. Where you going, princess? Where you going? Okay, so that's a snake habitat. I had somebody tell me, after I told him, why, if you're trying to make this a nature preserve, it's not very natural to, put these metal habitats out there for snakes, right? He came back and he told me, this isn't a natural area. I said, then why do you call it a freaking nature preserve if it's not natural? Well, here's the thing, it ain't natural, so don't call it a freaking nature preserve.